Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in the 2018 Spring DIY and Decor Challenge that Christina from DIY Mommy is hosting. I'm really excited about this challenge because I love spring and I am so ready for it to warm up. Unfortunately, right now it is sleeting at home, so it doesn't really feel like spring, but I'm going to pretend. So I am going to take you guys along so that you can see all of my spring and Easter decorations, and then I'm going to show you this DIY that I did behind me of the bunny butt banner. I'm really excited about it. It turned out adorable. So what you'll need is a template. I actually traced this myself. I just kept working with it until I got the form that I wanted. You'll need cotton balls, hot glue, any type of rope. You can even use ribbon if you like, scissors, and a hole punch. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take the form, you're going to cut it out to make your template. Then you're gonna take scrapbook paper and I actually used all the scrapbook paper that I had extra from when I used to do scrapbooking back in the day. And I took that scrapbook paper, all the ones that look springy, I put them on here and then I traced them and cut them all out. And then you can take between 3 and 5 cotton balls. I used 4 on mine, but you can use as many as you like, and squeeze them up. And then I took the hot glue and hot glued each of these little forms on each of the bottoms. Then I took a hole punch and I hole punched the ears just on either side. And then I took my string, which I actually got this from the Dollar Tree probably 5 years ago, and I still haven't gotten through the whole thing. So I took the string and then I just put it through each of these holes and then formed my little banner. It was really easy. It probably took about 10 to 15 minutes only because the cutting takes a little bit of time, but it was really fun and really easy. I hope that you enjoy all my spring decor, and I'd love to hear any of your thoughts, so please comment below. As you will see, I did a few other DIY projects like this one. I used small terracotta pots, eggs on a stick, and some Easter grass, and all of it was from the Dollar Tree. Here's the vignette that I did in the DIY Spring Floral Challenge, and I linked the video below. Here for my centerpiece, I just used Easter grass and Easter eggs that I got from the Dollar Tree. And here is another project that I did with burlap and Mod Podge and made little Easter bunny ear napkin rings. And here on my hallway table, I just added some Easter grass to my Easter bunny container. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video today. If you're new to our channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. See you in our next video.